In the gym, it is a good idea to have a technique that we are striving for. For example, in a squat, we want to be generally upright with our torso and try the best we can to get our hip crease below our knee crease when we are in the bottom position of the squat while keeping that upright torso going up and down. However, for a lot of individuals, especially when first starting out in the gym, their form will likely not look anything like a quote unquote perfect technique. They have a lot of imbalances, they have a lot of strength issues, and because of this, they might have a squat that maybe is only half of the normal distance we would want to. They will literally bottom out and say, I can't go any lower, even though they've only gone down a couple inches. This is the same for any exercise, a row, an overhead press. Their movement pattern might be slightly compromised and not look ideal. Now, when this is the case, it's not that we should just completely scrap the exercise and not do it. We still need to work the movement pattern to the best of the abilities of that individual. However, it would be not the best advising of a coach to have them go super heavy because they still haven't garnered perfect, or at least as close to perfect technique as we can get. The last thing I want to say is that even when somebody gets quote unquote perfect technique, their perfect technique might look completely different from somebody who has a different perfect technique. Everybody's perfect will look a little bit different based off of their torso length, their leg length, their arm length, and how long they've been training. So just keep that in mind. Your perfect technique may not look like somebody else's perfect technique, so don't try to conform them to you or you to them.